to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you 2 different ways that you can update any mirror. So that can be a mirror that you've had in your house that you're just like, oh my God, I wanna get rid of it, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna show you how you can save them. Or these could be mirrors that you pick up from the thrift store, like these 2 mirrors. I picked them up from the Goodwill. They are dated, so I'm just gonna bring them up to speed. Really easy DIYs to do. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to start to paint these mirrors. So the paint that I'm using is just a basic white, and it's chalk paint. You guys know I love to use chalk paint. So I'm not taking my mirror out because I'm being super lazy, but you can definitely take your mirror out if you wanna do this. But if you don't, it's totally fine, because if you get any paint on the mirror, you can just use a razor to remove it. So real quick, I'm gonna slide this in here. These are the stencils that I'm gonna be using. It's from the Martha Stewart collection at Michael's, and they are adhesive stencils. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you, these are the little dollar store razors that you can get, and I'm just going to scrape off any of the paint that got onto my mirror. So once I removed all of the paint, I'm just going to wipe my mirror down to get it prepped for painting. All right, so here my laziness ended, and I was just like, forget it. Let me just take the mirror out of the frame. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just going to remove all the backing and then take the mirror out. All right, so now comes the easy part, which is the stenciling. So the stencil, like I said, it's the Martha Stewart adhesive stencil, works amazing. Oh my gosh, I use this for the whole mirror, and I had to like wash it like 50 million times, and it was still sticky, and it's just amazing. I like to use adhesive stencils because I'm terrible at stenciling. I always have bleed through. It's just gonna happen. That's just a fact. So I always look for adhesive stencils, and this one, amazing. And she has tons of different other ones, so I would highly recommend using those stencils as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna start working on the frame, and I'm gonna use my Jolie finishing wax, and I am going to put 1 coat of wax on. All right, so now after I've added my wax, I'm going to start to glaze so I can give my frame a nice aged look, which is my fave. So that is what I'm going to do around the whole entire frame. So now I'm just going to add this frame back on, add the frame back onto the mirror. I'm gonna add the mirror back to the frame, and I'm just going to leave it at that, and I'm not gonna add the backing back on there because it just doesn't need it because it has those nails. So I'm just going to add the frame back and then nail my nails back down. All right, so now what I'm gonna do for my second mirror is I'm just going to wipe it down, and I'm going to spray some chalkboard spray paint on there to turn it into a chalkboard. All right, so after we have our chalkboard put back into our frame, I'm just going to season this. So you want to season it after you've let your spray paint dry for about 24 hours. That's what I do. And then what you're basically going to do is just scribble on it, just draw all on it, get it nice and chalked up, and then wipe it off, and it will be ready to use. All right, so that's it. I love how these mirrors turned out. They're so cute. They're both so different as well, and they were super easy to do. So with the stenciling, you can use any stencil. So you can use the smaller stencils like I did, or you can use just a large stencil and just stencil the whole entire mirror, and it would probably take us less time because it literally took me a while to stencil that smaller pattern on, but it did turn out super cute. Or you can just, again, use either the chalkboard spray paint or the whiteboard paint and transform your mirror that way as well. These are just 2 simple ways that you can do it. You guys know I love to do mirror DIYs. They're just amazing, and this will not be my last mirror DIY. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!